Here's a detailed step-by-step organization of the knitting instructions for making the tweed-style tassel bag. Attached materials needed: 1 yarn, 2 skeins of glitter cotton yarn, 1 skein of coarse spun yarn, 2 tools, 3-0mm crochet hook, stitch markers, darning needle, glue stick, scissors, optional pliers or jump rings for securing the chain. Step 1. Create the base. 1. Prepare the yarn. Take 2 strands of yarn together. Make a slip knot. 2. Work the chain stitches. Use the crochet hook to create 68 chain stitches. To create a chain stitch, wrap the yarn over the hook and pull through the loop. 3. Start the first row. Count 6 chains from the hook and insert into the back ridge of the 6th chain. Work a double crochet DC in this spot. 1. Yarn over, insert the hook into the back ridge and pull through. 2. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. 3. Yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Chain 1, skip 1 chain stitch and repeat the double crochet in the next chain's back ridge. 4. Complete the first row, repeat the pattern, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch until you reach the end of the row. Ensure you have 32 open spaces, holes, by the end of this row. Step 2. Build the base. 1. Start the second row. Turn your work. Chain 4 acts as the first double crochet plus chain 1. Place a stitch marker in the 3rd chain to mark your starting point. 2. 2. Work a double crochet into the double crochet from the previous row. Chain 1 and repeat until you reach the end of the row. 3. Complete the base. Repeat this process for a total of 5 rows. You should have a rectangular base with 5 rows of open spaces. Step 3. Crochet the bag body. 1. Begin working in the round. After completing the base, chain 4 and place a stitch marker in the 3rd chain. Work a double crochet into the stitches and spaces of the previous row, chaining 1 after each double crochet. 2. Adjust at corners. At corner spaces, only work 1 double crochet to maintain the shape of the bag. 3. Continue in the round. Repeat this pattern for 24 rows to create the bag's height. Step 4. Create the edging. 1. Add the final round. Chain 4 and work 1 double crochet into each stitch and chain space. Continue this pattern until you complete the round. Slip stitch into the marked chain to join the round. Fasten off and weave in the yarn ends with a darning needle. Secure with glue if needed. Step 5. Make the drawstring. 1. Crochet the drawstring. Use a 2.0mm crochet hook for tighter stitches. Make a chain slightly longer than the circumference of the bag. 2. Weave the drawstring. Weave the chain through the open spaces around the top of the bag. Leave an even amount of space between each weave. 3. Secure the ends. Knot the ends of the drawstring securely. Use jump rings or pliers to connect the chain ends if necessary. Step 6. Create the tassel. 1. Wrap the yarn. Take your phone or a similar object and wrap the yarn around it about 10 times. 2. Tie and cut. Tie the wrapped yarn in the middle with another strand. Cut the bottom loops to form the tassel. 3. Finish the tassel. Trim the ends for uniform length. Wrap a small piece of yarn around the top to secure, knotting tightly. 4. Attach the tassel. Use the provided hook or jump ring to attach the tassel to the bag. Final assembly. 1. Attach the drawstring. Thread the drawstring into the bag through the marked spaces. Adjust the length and knot securely. 2. Attach the tassel. Secure the tassel to the bag. 3. Finalize. Check for any loose ends, trim as needed, and secure with glue if necessary.